Hey everyone! If you're trying to access a website on your iPhone but it's blocking pop-ups, I'll show you how to turn off the pop-up blocker so you don't miss important contents. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the Apps section, then locate Safari in the list and tap on it. In the Safari settings, scroll down to the section called General. Here, you will see an option labeled Block Pop-ups. If the switch is turned on, tap it to turn it off. This will allow websites to show pop-ups when needed. Now open Safari and visit the website that was blocking pop-ups. If everything is set correctly, the site should now display pop-ups without any issues. If you still have trouble, refresh the page or restart your browser. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off the pop-up blocker on your iPhone, allowing you to access the content you need. Just remember to turn it back on later if you want to block unwanted pop-ups again. I hope this helped, and I will see you at the next one.